Well, look at guys. Everything's waking up, turning green and pretty. Oh my goodness, everything's just coming alive. I love this time of year because just everything in my garden is either coming alive or the buds are swelling, and it's so beautiful. The sedum is swelling, the buds are swelling, and the wildlife is just everywhere. The willows are alive, or they're dying off, and that's just part of life. That's part of the bonsai cycle, and that's just part of the cycle of life. There's life and death, there's learning. You learn what not to do and what to do, so next time you don't do it. So we just keep on keeping on, moving on.